Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the best backup software that you can use right now on the market. So the first one, the very popular one, like EaseUS. Now this is the first one for you to check out, and what is like the pros and cons to be aware of. So first thing first is the one of the fastest backup app tested. Also the interface is clean and simple. You're gonna have like big buttons, clear labels, so it's like pretty intuitive on how you can use it. It's for basic backups, and as you can see, you're gonna have also option for a free, and then home store costs like $40 right here. Also, smart backup option can detect if files have changed and start new backups accordingly. You can schedule backups, and also backup protection monitors your backup files and warns you if there's an attempt to delete the item. So that's like very good. Now, what is important is that a lot of storage space is required. It creates a recovery partition on your hard drive, which can be upwards of 10 gigabytes. Also, the backup process sometimes have like few steps. The free version of the software is slower than most competing tools, and you can backup and restore data to the boot disk from the cloud. And that's something to be aware of. And also the interface could use little tweaking, and sometimes get stuck when files have long names. So that's, if you're like a lot of long names, be aware of it, okay? Now to go further, you have also the Acronis. So for the Acronis, what you can actually like expect and what are the pros and cons to be aware of. The true image Acronis is that you have a simple and easy to use backup and restore tags, great data compression, built-in ransomware protection included, cloud backup and storage option with paid plan. Also, cyber protection agent consume hard drive at 100%. These were like reports that I've read. Then also no major bug where antivirus scan backup files during backup. Extremely slow performance and support response time. So 14 days to get a response. This is something I read. I don't know if it kind of like changed. So that's something to be aware of if you want to actually like use it. And then when we're gonna go even further, you have next one, and it's Macrium Reflect. So with the Macrium Reflect, you have great backup creation. PCs are noticeable quicker with Macrium installed comparing to, let's say, Acronis. That's something that I also read for you. Free cloning feature during trial. Workstation edition starts at $57 per user, but creates slightly larger backup files, so that's something to be aware of. No Mac version available, and interface requires a bit more searching to find backup feature, so that's something to be aware of. Now, also Clonezilla, very popular one. So it's free and open source, which is very good, faster than Macrium Reflect for raw cloning operations, supports various file systems and operating system including Linux, Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, enables multicasting, can clone 40 plus pieces simultaneously, and uses compression algorithms to save space on clone backup data, allows using a single image to restore multiple devices. But the command line based interface can be intimidating for beginners. Need to boot from external drive to access Clonezilla. Only offers basic disk cloning and imaging without incremental or different backups, and text-based interface requires some technical skills, and the setup is also less intuitive. So that's something to be aware of if you want to actually like use it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and